This is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add your location on PayPal profile. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. PayPal is a global online payment system and digital wallet that allows individuals and businesses to send, receive, and manage money securely. Users link their bank account or card to their PayPal account, enabling fast and convenient online purchases, sending money to others, and accepting payments for goods and services. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create PayPal account, how to manage your profile and others. Now, what if you want to add your location to your profile account to help someone to find you? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our PayPal. You can log in into your mobile apps or you can open it on the website on your PC or laptop. Now, from here, you can go to settings by clicking on the gear icon in here. You can go to your account. Here's your account. You can see on your PayPal link there is an option manage to beside your PayPal link. You can just click on that, and from here you can manage your profile. You can edit your profile. You can add your location by clicking on here on location. So your location, you can update your PayPal primary address if this account location are out of date. Now you can just choose on here. The suggested location are based on your PayPal primary address. You can always edit and your address in your PayPal settings. After that, you can just click on save. So now you have add your location on your PayPal profile. So when someone visit your PayPal profile, they can see your location, your username, and your information on your profile. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add location on your PayPal profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.